Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can calculate percentage in Google Sheets. So if you're struggling to calculate percentages in Google Sheets, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can find percentages easily. So what you need to do in here is just open the documents, and in here I have this numbers, number one and number two. So if you want to count the percentages on these numbers right here, you can just write equal to and choose the second number in here, divide it by the first number, hit on enter. And now here you can just click on the number and change. Make sure that the format is on percentages. So in here you can just click on format as percent. And now you can just autofill the rest of the numbers just by dragging it down like this. And now this is the percentages of these numbers. So that's pretty easy. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. I'll catch you all on the next Google Sheets tip. Bye.